Okay, welcome to our Multi-School Council blog for this week, where I'm going to be talking about the mental health visit that we had this morning at John Bunyan School in Mid-Essex, who are actively part of our Multi-Schools Council and invited us in to view what they have done since the Multi-Schools Ambassador training back in September. So just to recap, back in September, the children had asked that we put together some training for pupils in the Multi-Schools Council to become ambassadors around mental health in their own school. So that's what we did. And then since then, we visited a number of schools to look how they have used that training within their settings. And I have to say, John Bunyan today was a fantastic example of how the Multi-Schools Council is impacting all across Essex. So what we saw today was some great examples of what the children have asked from our mental health document, which you can find on our website, which is a guideline to all schools in Essex of what the children have actually said they believe will help improve mental health awareness and mental health understanding within their schools. So we saw examples today of specialised quiet areas and garden areas that have been designed along with the pupils for those that need to take the time out. They also had sofas throughout the school where when children feel distressed, they can take themselves there and have some quiet time. They've also got some animals on site which they believe help improve a lot of the well-being around the school, and we have also heard other examples of that at the multi-school meetings. They also had a specialised kind of treehouse area where children could come and those who may not access work within the classroom could be provided support outside of the classroom. And they also had a lot of worry boxes, personalised worry boxes as well for individual children who may need them. They can then take these directly to the staff in their staff in their classroom, to then help address some of their worries and their anxieties. They also have many adults who are free every day, so that if children do have concerns, they can come and talk to them directly. And quite interestingly, when we actually spoke to the children directly, they said that one of the biggest factors was having those relationships with staff. Now, we've heard lots of examples about this. If you view our YouTube channel and some of our earlier videos, you will see that is a key part to helping improve mental health within schools, is having trusted adults around them. But also one of the most pleasing things to see was that there is a lot of peer-to-peer support. And again, in our mental health document, that is outlined. So there is a lot of support from friends. And one of the really nice things that we heard, which directly involves the Multi-Schools Council, is that some of the ambassador leads at lunchtimes will go into the garden kind of sensory area and they will read with some of their pupils. And not only will they read to their peers, but they're also reading Sam and the Spider, which is a book that was produced by the Multi-Schools Council with the support of Jar Jar Books. And it's a fantastic book about raising awareness around SEN and mental health. So that was just a few things that we witnessed today. And what we're doing is we're taking these ideas to develop our resilience programme. And the resilience programme is going to be an offer to all schools in Essex from September, where they can get myself or other ambassadors into their schools to deliver an up to 6-week programme where we will look to build resilience. When we talk about mental health a lot in schools, we don't really seem to be talking around the word around resilience, and we don't really seem to be using that much. But the children have told us they feel that is a big issue, and that actually if we could use some of the stuff around resilience early on in schools, then actually we might be able to support some of the mental health difficulties that develop at later ages. So what we're going to do from here is we've got one more visit for our mental health schools, and then we will start to release more information about our resilience programme. And as I say, we look to try and run that from September. Please continue to like and share this page. As I've said, again, from September, we will have greater capacity where we can actually go into schools, speak to more children directly and get that on this YouTube app. But if you have any questions or anything you would like us to share, please get in contact. You can contact us on our Multi-Schools Facebook page. Thank you.